Welcome to Akashx. My name is Matthew Thayer, guys, and I just wanted to first say congratulations on making the decision to learn to leverage your money in the markets and join the Akashx community. Here, guys, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can now set yourself up for success with all of the different resources and tools that we have here with the Akashx product. Guys, again, I'm so excited for every single one of you. I know some of you might be a little bit intimidated by the trading, the charts, and the idea of leveraging money in the markets. But guys, I just want to tell you that Josh and Jenna have created a product for you that is going to kind of take away that fear. It's going to help you actually learn how to trade, how to be successful in the market, guys. But just understand something, it's going to take time, and that's okay. That's what this is for. You're going to be able to go through an entire academy. You're going to be able to learn from professionals that have went out there and absolutely dominated the market. And then you're going to be able to use a lot of the tools that we have here with the Akashx brand, guys. Again, my name is Matthew Thayer, and I am so excited for every single one of you guys. But let's go on and let's go show you guys the back office. So what I want to do first, guys, is I want to show you the main page. So right here, what you guys can see on the Akashx main page back office, as soon as you log in, you will see a calendar here on the left-hand side. Up here at top, guys, you can see the different academies, trade alerts, live session, market research, and resource tabs, where you can actually hyperlink your way to those sources. Now, right here where the getting started is where this video is going to be located. So if you get someone started, you can actually just send them this video. You can send them to the main page, have them watch the getting started video, and they will have the right start to their Akashx journey. So guys, very, very simple. Over here on the left-hand side, again, where you see the calendar, you can actually select the day that you're on. Once you select the day, it will actually prompt you of all of the different educators that are live throughout the day. Now, where you guys can see the time, that will actually be preloaded to your time zone, wherever you guys are. So whatever you guys see here, these are the sessions that you guys have access to. With Akashx, it is one price, gives you access to all educators. So you don't have to worry about, different educators and different various styles. This actually includes everything. So once you find the educator that you would like to follow, so let's look right now, it's 2:17 p.m. The last session was Anna. So I could click Anna's session right here. I could join the chat over here on the right-hand side with my name, and I would be able to view her live session, guys, and then also communicate with her from her live session page. Now, you can do that with all of the different live sessions. If you'd like to see tomorrow's live sessions, you can do that as well. Now, if you ever have a question, you can go over to the community chat, and under the Akashx group, you guys can actually put messages into the community group. Now, this is where you can talk to different educators, you can talk to the different leaders within Akashx, and you will have the ability, guys, to stay communicated with the educators, with the field leadership. Now, under the live schedule tab, guys, this is where you can actually see all of the different live sessions throughout the week. So if you're ever wondering, I'm only available on Wednesdays. What are the sessions that are there on Wednesday? Well, you can see from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. starting on Wednesday, all the way to 7 p.m. to 8 p.m., basically PST time zone. So just have to kind of calculate what time zone you're in, but that is in a PST time zone. Now, you also can click English or Spanish. We have Spanish, we have English. We also will be bringing on other languages as well. But for right now, those are the two different languages. Also under the live sessions tab, you can also filter through the different educators that you would like to watch. So let's say you only want to see Anna's sessions. You would select Anna and you'd be able to see all of her live sessions. You'd be able to see all of her session replays if she had some replays. You can also filter through different categories. So if you just want to see Forex, if you just want to see crypto, if you just want to see indices, if you just would like to see commodities, you can filter through that, guys. And you can also do it through languages as well. So you'd like to say, okay, I only want to see Spanish educators. I only want to see English educators. You can do that as well. Under the trade alerts, guys, we have Forex, crypto, binary, commodities, indices, and stocks. when you get a trade alert. So under the Forex tab, you can see that Christopher actually called out a market execution on Euro USD. Now, this was 13 hours ago, so this is not really a trade setup that you would want to take right now. But if this was a new trade setup, guys, what you could do is you could take this information right under the resources and tools tab. You could scroll down to MetaTrader Web Trader, and you guys could actually set up a demo account right through the Akashx back office. So here's an example. Let's just say I wanted to create one really quick. You just go through the demo there, guys, click next, save your password. So save all that information, and then also click save on there. Now you have a MT4 MetaTrader account where you can actually execute trades. Now this is a demo account. It's not a real account. This is just something I want to use to kind of show you guys how to, utilize the trade callouts from the trade screen. So let's go back to the live trade alert. So I have two tabs open here. Most likely, if you're going to be doing this, you're going to want two tabs. You're going to want one with the broker where you can call it out, and then you're going to want the trade alert tab. Now with the MT4, with this web trader, guys, also you can connect legitimate brokers. So you can have one that has real money in this. This doesn't work just for demo accounts, but for brand new people, you can set up a demo account and start to see results right away. Now, if you look at the information, it says Euro USD. Well, you're going to want to go to Euro USD, double click, and then you're going to want to say, okay, what is this? So it's a market execution. It's based off a trend. So basically saying that it's either in an uptrend or downtrend. This is a 4-star trade. So this is a very, very good trade. Gives you the entry point, stop loss, take profits that you are going to want to enter in. So this is a market execution. So basically he was saying, hey, around 1.07575, you want to take this for a, let's see here. What is this for a buy? So you're looking for a buy on Euro USD. And let's see here. So what you would do is you would select Euro USD. You get to select how much you'd like to risk. Since this is a demo account, guys, I would just say, hey, keep it at 0.01. The stop loss, though, this is where you would paste this information. So you'd click stop loss, you'd copy it, and then you would go ahead and paste it right there. Paste it right there. And then what you would do is you would take a take profit, copy, and then you would paste, take profit there, instant execution, and then boom, just hit boom. So price must be either lower than that or it's too high than that. Let's see. Oh, the take profit, guys, is already way above. So it looks like this trade, guys, that was called out actually hit take profit 2 already. So it's already way above that. So obviously price is up here, guys. The entry was somewhere down here. One hit take profit 1, take profit 2, and this is where price is right now. But normally you'd be able to enter that trade and then it would show down there. It's a great way for you to kind of see, how trades work. Now on binary options, you're going to want to find a platform or a broker that works best for you. But this is just basically off entry point, telling you a sell for 4 minutes. So this is Spanish. This is a Spanish educator. But it's saying buy. So buy for 4 minutes at this entry point. So very, very simple. Commodities, same thing, guys. So this was 1 day ago, 3 days ago, so nothing there. 5 hours ago from Anna Paulina. Let's just check this one out real quick. So we're looking at S&P 500. So you're going to want to go back to your platform. You're going to want to, if you don't have the pair on here, guys, what you can do is you can hit the plus and go, let's see here. So actually, let's see here. I don't know. Potentially, you might need to have a different demo account, guys, for S&P 500, which is okay. That's fine. Looks like it's not on here right now. So, but normally you would just type in S&P 500. Certain demo accounts have the ability to trade different things. I just want to make sure that I'm not missing anything here. And then if you have other accounts, guys, it's just under the switch to account as well. They save all of your accounts. So yeah, this is just an MT4. I don't have the indices on here, but normal brokers will, and it'll just say S&P 500. Now, if you'd like to mark up your charts, you also have the trading view chart. So if you'd like to kind of, look at the market yourself, so what you could do is open up the trading view chart. This is also going to get enlarged after this video, so don't worry. But let's just say you were looking at, someone's analysis and you wanted to look at that pair. Well, this Euro USD, what you would do is you would just type in Euro USD. And then what you could do is you could look at the chart yourself. You could kind of say, okay, what's going on with the market? What do I see with it? What's your analysis? Kind of gives you the ability to look at the market. So they have that right there in your back office as well. And then you also have other, resources and tools. You have the technical indicators, you have lot size calculator, profit calculator, pip calculator, drawdown calculator, a bunch of different tools for you guys to be able to use. And then under the scanners coming February 1st, we will have a couple different scanners, one for binary and then one for Forex as well. But guys, that's really kind of the foundation to, Akashx's back office. One thing that I will suggest that you do right away is just head over to the Academy. Start at the beginner, go through these videos, watch them, understand them, get a good fundamental breakdown of what Forex even is, and then go to the advanced, go to the expert, and then, pick an educator that works with your time. So I would go over to the live schedule, figure out, when can you trade? When is it going to be most convenient for you to be able to trade? Maybe you work Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and you only have Thursdays off, or maybe you have Thursdays and Sundays off. Well, what I would do is I'd pick a time that you can stay consistent to. So let's say, you're going to pick out an hour a day that you plan on trading every single day. And maybe you want to do it just in the morning, or maybe you want to do it just at night, because that's something that you can stay consistent to. I would say, okay, let's say you either pick Anna or you pick Rich. Well, let's say you picked Rich. Well, you would go to Rich right here, and then you go to your academy, go to the Educator Academy, start with Rich's full academy, steps 1 through 10, teaching you exactly how he trades, what's proper risk with the way that he trades, kind of actually learning his style. Because then that way, guys, once you get to his live sessions, you'll know exactly what he looks for, you'll know exactly what he's doing, and it'll prepare you guys for his session. So I'd start there, start at video 1. These are also going to get replaced, but video 1, video 2, video 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then here's number 10. So they're starting to get already put in the right order. But I would say, go through these videos, guys, and then go on his live sessions. So it kind of gives you that jump start, gives you that head start to know exactly how this particular person operates and how it all works. So that's something very unique, guys, through the Educator Academy. There's also market research tools you guys can use, analysts, videos, day-to-day, kind of knowing what's going on in the world. Under calendars, you can also see what's going on in the Forex world, the crypto world, know if there's really any new news updates that's going to affect currency. So, so many different things that you guys can use to really understand how to trade and be successful. But guys, I just want to say congratulations, welcome to the team. And I'm super excited for all of you guys that are going to be a part of this community. If you have any questions, feel free to go over to the community chat, guys. You can ask your questions. There's a family of people, there's a community of people that are all going to be there to help you out. So guys, you have a great day, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next live session.